Today, we delve into the intricacies of our remarkable visual apparatus, our eyes, intricate and delicate instruments that all allow us to perceive the world in all its vibrant glory. From the minutest details to expansive landscapes, vision is an invaluable sense that profoundly shapes our comprehension of the environment. The necessity of proactive eye care becomes abundantly clear when we recognize the indispensable role our eyes play in our lives. Aiding this endeavor is the fundamental role played by nutrition. The food we consume serves as the fuel for our bodies, furnishing essential nutrients that power various bodily functions. The eyes, being intricate organs with specialized needs, demand a specific set of nutrients to function optimal and resist the effects of time and environmental stressors. A nuanced understanding of the role of nutrition in ocular health empowers individuals, providing them with the knowledge needed to make informed dietary choices that contribute to the well-being of their vision in the long run. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Sweet potatoes. The vibrant orange color of sweet potatoes comes from beta-carotene, a compound that performs a magical transformation into vitamin A in your body. This essential vitamin is a key player in maintaining the health of the cornea, the transparent front part of your eye responsible for crucial focusing light onto the retina. Regularly enjoying sweet potatoes ensures a reliable supply of beta-carotene, guaranteeing a steady stream of vitamin A for optimal corneal function. This, in turn, contributes to clear vision and the prevention of conditions such as night blindness. The cornea, being exposed to environmental elements, is susceptible to damage from factors like ultraviolet, UV, radiation, and oxidative stress. Vitamin A, derived from beta-carotene, acts as a natural shield for the cornea, safeguarding it from potential harm and contributing to the prevention of conditions like corneal ulcers. The antioxidant properties of beta-carotene extend beyond the cornea, providing comprehensive protection to the eyes against age-related degeneration and oxidative stress. Number 2. Broccoli. Our eyes, constantly exposed to light and environmental factors, are prone to oxidative stress. Broccoli, with its rich assortment of antioxidants, including lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin C, emerges as a crucial player in neutralizing free radicals and shielding the eyes from oxidative damage. Lutein and zeaxanthin, both abundant in broccoli, gather in the retina, contributing significantly to the prevention of age-related macular degeneration. These antioxidants serve as a natural defense mechanism, fortifying the delicate structures of the eyes against the effects of aging. Cataracts, a common age-related condition marked by the clouding of the eye's natural lens, can be influenced by oxidative stress and inflammation. The diverse array of antioxidants in broccoli works synergistically to counteract these factors, reducing the risk of cataract development. But that's not all. Broccoli brings vitamin A to the table, further contributing to maintaining healthy corneas and supporting overall visual acuity. The combination of antioxidants and essential nutrients establishes broccoli as a valuable asset in the quest for comprehensive eye health. Number 3. Eggs. Lutein and zeaxanthin, members of the carotenoid family akin to beta-carotene in carrots, are concentrated in the retina, acting as powerful antioxidants. These compounds play a crucial role in shielding delicate eye tissues from the detrimental effects of oxidative stress. Eggs, particularly their yolks, emerge as rich sources of both lutein and zeaxanthin. Regular consumption of these compounds is linked to a reduced risk of developing conditions such as macular degeneration and cataracts. These age-related eye conditions can significantly impact vision, making the presence of lutein and zeaxanthin in eggs particularly valuable. The macula, a small yet pivotal part of the retina responsible for central vision, greatly benefits from the abundance of lutein and zeaxanthin. These compounds absorb harmful high-energy light waves, lowering the risk of macular damage and decreasing the likelihood of macular degeneration. Additional lutein and zeaxanthin contribute to preventing cataracts, a condition marked by the clouding of the eye's natural lens. By mitigating oxidative stress and safeguarding the lens from damage, these compounds found in eggs play a vital role in maintaining clear vision as we age. Number 4. Bell peppers. Vitamin C, an essential water-soluble vitamin and a potent antioxidant, plays a pivotal role in maintaining the health of our eyes. Bell peppers, especially the vibrantly colored varieties, like red and yellow, stand out as top vegetable sources of vitamin C. Incorporating bell peppers into our diet provides a direct boost to the immune system of the eyes, helping prevent infections and supporting the body's natural defense mechanisms against external threats. The antioxidant nature of vitamin C is particularly instrumental in shielding the eyes from oxidative stress, a factor linked to the development of cataracts and macular degeneration. Cataracts, characterized by the clouding of the eye's lens, often stem from the breakdown of proteins in the lens due to oxidative damage. Vitamin C, with its potent antioxidant properties, acts as a counterforce by neutralizing free radicals, thereby reducing the risk of cataract formation. Number 5. Berries. Anthocyanins, a group of antioxidants responsible for the deep hues in berries, have been scientifically linked to improved night vision. These incredible compounds actively support the regeneration of rhodopsin, a crucial pigment in the eye responsible for perceiving low-light environments. Berries like blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries, among others, stand out as excellent sources of anthocyanins. Including these delightful berries in your diet can remarkably enhance your ability to see in low-light conditions, making them not just a tasty treat, but a practical addition to support nighttime visual acuity. Oxidative stress, resulting from an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants, can contribute to various eye conditions. Berries, with their potent antioxidant content, play a pivotal role in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the eyes. Beyond combating free radicals, these antioxidants contribute to preventing age-related eye issues, including macular degeneration and cataracts. Regularly indulging in berries provides a delicious way to fortify your eyes against the effects of aging and environmental factors. Number 6. Carrots. Carrots boast a vibrant orange hue, courtesy of beta-carotene, a carotenoid and potent antioxidant found in certain fruits and vegetables. Once consumed, the body transforms beta-carotene into vitamin A, a vital nutrient for eye health. One remarkable benefit of carrots lies in their positive impact on night vision. Vitamin A, derived from beta-carotene, is crucial for the proper functioning of the retina, which houses cell-escal rods responsible for vision in low light. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to night blindness, making it challenging to see in dim light. Including carrots in your diet ensures an ample supply of beta-carotene, supporting the production of rhodopsin, a pigment in the eyes crucial for low-light vision. Beyond enhancing night vision, carrots contribute to overall eye health by preventing conditions like dry eyes and promoting tear production. Tears, rich in moisture, are essential for maintaining the eye's surface and preventing discomfort associated with dryness. Number 7. Fish. Fish, renowned for its richness in omega-3 fatty acids, takes center stage in promoting overall well-being, with a particular emphasis on our eyes. These essential fats, found abundantly in fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout, play a crucial role in ensuring the health of our eyes. Omega-3 fatty acids, specifically Y-eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, are instrumental in producing essential components of tears. This contribution helps alleviate symptoms of dry eyes by enhancing tear quality. Fish consumption serves as a natural and effective solution to combat the discomfort associated with dry eye syndrome. Beyond omega-3 fatty acids, fish offers a spectrum of nutrients supporting overall eye health. Selenium, a trace element present in many fish varieties, acts as a powerful antioxidant, safeguarding the eyes from oxidative damage. Furthermore, fish serves as a reliable source of vitamin D, linked to a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration. The retina, a light-sensitive layer at the back of the eye, is particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress. The unique combination of omega-3 fatty acids, selenium, and vitamin D positions fish as a powerhouse in shielding the eyes against age-related deterioration. Before we move forward, express your support by liking, subscribing, and activating the notification bell. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and we'll provide the answers you seek. The significance of maintaining a nutrient-rich diet transcends mere eye health. It stands as a cornerstone of overall well-being. Thanks for watching.